In this lesson, we're going to review how to perform a line chart and make a line chart within Microsoft Excel. So what are line charts? Line charts are used to display trends in data over a particular period of time. Line charts are best used when the data is arranged in such a way that the text labels, dates, or a few metric labels are on the horizontal axes. So let's go through an example and prepare a line chart from scratch. As we can see in the table here, starting in row 14, we've got some car sales over a 6-year period, and it's organized in a fashion where the dates, i.e. the years, are in the left column of the table in column C. So the years start at 2017 in row 14 and end at 2022 in row 19. Along the top in the headers, we have car sales for sedans, SUVs, and sports cars. The number of sales per year by vehicle type is included in the table data. So based on this, we want to map out a line chart to show the progression over time for each of these 3 car types. So the way to do that is as follows. So there's essentially a few steps that we need to take in order to create the line chart. First, we need to select the data including the headers. So I'm going to select cells C13 through F19. And then I'm going to click on the Insert tab in the top navigation pane. And then under Charts, I'm going to choose the one that shows a line. When I click on the line, I have the option of selecting multiple different variations of line charts depending on the format that I want to use. There's a few examples here, and you could spend some time reviewing them and determining which ones you'd prefer. There's a regular line, which shows the trends over time. There's the stacked line chart, which shows how parts of a whole change over time. Then there's the 100% stacked line, the line with markers, etc. In this case, I like the version that shows the line with markers because it's going to mark the specific year-end dates for the sales values. So I'm going to select that. And now I've got a line chart, and along the bottom, it's showing from left to right the years 2017 through 2022. Each of the vehicle types is color-coded, so blue for sedans, orange for SUVs, and gray for sports cars. And along the y-axis, we have the car sales values. Now, you can customize this data by selecting the style from the paintbrush on the right side. You can change the style and color, and you can choose from a number of preset options that are available. I'm going to choose the first one here. Another thing that I can do is I can modify the chart title and give it any title that I'd like. In this case, I'm going to call it Vehicle Sales. And additionally, if I clicked on one of the lines, I could open up the formatting options on the right side and change a number of things like remove certain lines, change the color of certain lines, the transparency, width, etc. So if I want to change the sedan color to red, I could do that by selecting the red color from the color option. If I wanted to make it partly transparent, I could also do that and give it a bit of a fade. I could also change the width of it if I want to make it more bold, and so on. You get the idea. There's a lot of different options that are available. I could also customize the format of the back of the line chart and many other things. So I'm going to delete that. Here's another example which I previously prepared for this lesson, which shows the line chart over time. Again, it's got the dots associated with the particular year-end dates and shows the vehicles sold. So that's how you create a line chart in Microsoft Excel. It's pretty easy, especially in newer versions of Excel. You just want to select the data and then really just click on the Insert button in the top menu and then select a chart. From there, you'll be able to customize it to your liking. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video.